My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. Today I'm going to walk you through my complete keyword research process for SEO, search engine optimization. So I'll share my biggest keyword research secret at the end, so watch until the end to find the perfect keywords for your campaign. So here we go. Through my experience, I've led hundreds of SEO campaigns that have been successful. Keywords can be divided into three types. There are two types of keywords, actually. Head keywords, which are keywords with a single word or acronym, such as maybe trucks. In most cases, these keywords shouldn't be targeted for several reasons. In the first place, the intent isn't clear. So if we just check truck search results, exactly what someone's looking for. The question here is whether they're interested in buying a truck. Is what they're looking for used or new? Is it a truck of any kind? Is there a particular part of a truck they're interested in learning more about? Secondly, there's no clear intent behind head keywords. Therefore, traffic quality will be low and conversion rates will be low, leading to the second reason why you shouldn't target head keywords. The traffic numbers will increase if you rank for head keywords, but the conversion rates will be disappointing. Next, you have competition. It's a no-win situation for these keywords because they require massive amounts of resources to rank, and even if they do rank, you'll suffer from the next point, which is number 4. Because Google has difficulty understanding what the searcher is actually searching for, SERP volatility can have a devastating effect on your website traffic. Search engine results page volatility, that's what SERP is. Google shuffles the results constantly to find what produces the highest organic click-through rate because it has a hard time understanding what the searcher is searching for. So therefore, targeting head keyword is almost never a good idea. The body keywords are the next type of keyword. In the case of used trucks, a body keyword might be used. It's becoming clearer that the intent of the searcher is becoming more specific. It's still a competitive keyword, but at least you know what they're searching for. Since body keywords are the simplest to find, they're usually very competitive because most competitors will invest heavy resources in them because they're simple to find. That's why long-tail keywords are usually the most appropriate keyword choice for most websites. In contrast to the previous examples, like trucks or used trucks, long-tail keyword phrases will have 4 or more words. Also, say used trucks CarMax is less competitive than the previous example, like trucks or used trucks. The keyword difficulty of used trucks and CarMax is 75%, while used trucks on SEM, search content marketing, is 91%. There are obviously ways to narrow things down for a better result, but you get the idea. As a starting point for keyword selection, select 100 keywords based on intent. There should be search volume for keywords, but used trucks has a tremendous search volume of 1,260,000,000, while used trucks CarMax only has 1,666,000, but it's a much better choice because A, it'll yield a dramatically higher conversion rate and generally a greater volume of quality leads, and B, it'll have a lower competition, so ranking for it will be more profitable. Again, I picked a very vague word, but obviously you can choose words tailored specifically to you and tweak them down to what works best. Having learned about keywords and intent, you can now create your own keywords. These 3 methods will help you find keyword opportunities. The first thing you need to do is analyze your existing keyword profile. Your first source of keyword inspiration should be the keywords you're already ranking for. These keywords are best since Google's already showing that you're doing something right now. So go into SEMrush, which is, again, I'm not affiliated, I don't work for them, I just use them. So for example, if you go into them and enter your domain into the search, you'll find more about positions. You can go to organic research. In order to categorize existing keywords, I like to categorize existing keywords into 3 different categories. There's a number of keyword ranking positions between 2 and 15 that are considered low-hanging fruit. If you want to see all of your low-hanging fruit, click on the positions drop-down and go to the custom range, and you can enter 2 to 15 to take it a step further. So here's a website that actually explains what I'm talking about a little bit more. It explains how to filter keywords based on keyword determination percentage. I'm not affiliated with them or whatnot. The very easy range is 0 to 14, which will lead you to the lowest level of competition. In addition to keyword intent, you'll also need to consider keyword relevance. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable, and don't forget to click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486 You can also email me at PBARONOWSKI at Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBARONOWSKI.com.